Hi, this is Greg Allison from Green Greg's Garden and Worm Farm, coming to you from a raised bed garden. I'm going to show you how to pull up a thorny, look at all these thorns, yeah, they get me here. See all these thorns? A thorny blackberry bush, bare-handed. I just got a thorn from grabbing it on the side. The key is you got to come down here at the bottom. Now there are some stickers at the bottom, but just kind of feel around, they're not as bad. If the root isn't too bad, I'll get it out of here. And you want to pull all the roots you can get out, because that's all what makes it grow. They'll come up again from the root. You pull as much root out as you can get. Ah, look here, we have another one that's connected to it and coming up here. Now, that wasn't too bad, but I got to watch it to keep it from grabbing me after I get it up. Now we got a bunch of old dry grass around here. So let me find that root again. This one comes with this plant. I just want to reach down in here and get it all together. Reach underneath here as much as I can. Grab the root ball underneath. And start pulling. Voila. And I have, with my bare hands, pulled out a real thorny blackberry bush. Now just to give you an idea, get in here close. Don't back away. Look at these thorns. They're all over here. And they do come down to the bottom, but they're not as bad in the bottom. So, bare hand, blackberry bush pulled up. Turn it off.